From a TV camera aboard the Ranger 7 spacecraft, about 17 minutes from lunar impact, the area covered by the initial picture, approximately 450,000 square miles. All of these views of the moon were taken by the Ranger's A camera, one of 6 aboard the spacecraft, at the rate of 1 every 5 seconds. They are shown here at 4 times that speed. The A camera featured a 25mm f1 lens. The distance across the picture is about 600 miles. Distance from the spacecraft to center area of the picture is now approximately 1,200 miles. North is at the top of the picture, with sunlight falling from the left. Upper left area is known as the Ocean of Storms, 1,052 miles from the moon. 13 minutes from impact. 1,003 miles from the moon. Note that we appear to be zooming in on the area in the upper right-hand part of the picture. "11 minutes to impact. 873 miles from target. The large crater at bottom right is Borealis, which has a diameter of 40 miles. "10 minutes to impact. 841 miles from spacecraft to center of picture. "9 minutes to impact. 733 miles to the moon. During the 17 minutes that Ranger's full-scan cameras operated, the A camera recorded 200 pictures of the lunar surface. More than 4,300 pictures were taken by the 6-camera system. "610 miles to the moon. 583 miles to the moon. 7 minutes. 6.5 minutes. 510 miles from the moon. Earth-based photography resolution is closely matched at this point. It now becomes easier to pick out features on the moon's surface. The distance across the picture is now about 120 miles. As each successive picture is seen, so are smaller craters and other surface features never before seen by man. 292 miles. The upper right-hand sector of the frame shows the impact area. The TV pictures from Ranger 7's cameras were received and recorded at the Goldstone tracking station in California's Mojave Desert. 1.5 minutes to impact. Small craters, possibly made by debris splashed from the major craters Copernicus or Tycho, come into view. 48 seconds to impact. 33.4 miles from impact. An area 4 miles on a side is shown. 3.5 miles to impact. Impact, July 31st, 1964. And now a slightly longer look at the last 10 pictures before impact. These views clearly show craters with rounded walls as well as some with sharp rims. "53 miles above the surface, 33 seconds to impact. A closer view in the center of the outlying ray of the craters Copernicus and Tycho. The smallest crater shown here, about 150 feet in diameter. Lower central area shows a remarkable clustering of small, shallow craters. 12.7 seconds before impact. The size of the smallest craters we see is about 30 to 50 feet in diameter. Other cameras recorded tiny 3-foot diameter craters. A rock mass about 300 feet long is visible in a crater in the upper left quarter of this final photo, recorded by Ranger's A camera less than 2½ seconds before impact. The spacecraft struck the moon while transmitting this picture. The result was the band of radio receiver noise seen on the right edge of the film.